Unraveling, Your Royal Highness, a guide to English honorifics. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, honorifics, specifically the phrase, Your Royal Highness. Understanding these terms is not just about adding words to your vocabulary. It's about unlocking the doors to culture, respect, and history. So, let's embark on this linguistic adventure together and discover the significance behind this majestic phrase. Honorifics are titles or expressions that convey respect, courtesy, or recognition of status. In English, we use them in both formal and informal settings to address or refer to someone with a certain level of respect or distinction. Examples include Mr., Mrs., Doctor, and Sir. These titles are integral to social interactions, as they help establish the tone and level of formality in conversations. Your Royal Highness is a formal way to address or refer to certain members of the royal family. It is not used for all royals but is reserved for specific ranks within the monarchy. This honorific is traditionally used for princes and princesses, including the children and grandchildren of the monarch, as well as the consort, husband or wife, of a princess. It's a sign of deep respect and formal recognition of their royal status. Using Your Royal Highness appropriately requires understanding its context and significance. It's primarily used in formal settings, such as official events, ceremonies, or when directly addressing a royal person in speech or writing. The first time you address a royal individual, you would use Your Royal Highness, and subsequently, you can refer to them as Sir or Ma'am, depending on their gender. It's a gesture of reverence and acknowledgement of their position within the royal hierarchy. The use of Your Royal Highness dates back centuries and is steeped in tradition and history. It reflects the hierarchical structure of monarchy and the societal importance placed on nobility and royal lineage. Understanding this honorific offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of English history and culture, where respect for the monarchy has been a long-standing tradition. It also highlights the evolving nature of language and social customs, adapting to contemporary values while retaining historical roots. And that wraps up our exploration of Your Royal Highness. We hope this journey through the nuances of English honorifics has been enlightening and intriguing. These phrases are more than just words. They're a bridge to understanding cultures, traditions, and the subtleties of the English language. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures together. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.